La ropa. Clothes. Hurry up, said Mama. The autobús will be here soon, and you're not ready for la escuela. No sé what to wear. My vestido favorito is dirty. Mom said, You have to wear pantalones. Hace frío. Sarita yelled, Should I wear my chaqueta or my sweater? Mom answered, La chaqueta, los guantes, and una gorra, because hace mucho frío. Autobús means bus. La escuela means school. No sé means I don't know. Vestido favorito means favorite dress. Pantalones means pants. Hace frío means it is cold. Chaqueta means jacket. Sweater means sweater. Guantes means gloves. Una gorra means a hat. Hace mucho frío means it is very cold.